Hello friend, today we talk about the phyllotaxy of leaves. So the term phyllotaxy, this term first coined by the Charles Bonnet. What is it meaning? Phylon in Greek, phylon means leaf and taxis means arrangement. So what is phyllotaxy? We can say in botany the mode of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branches of plants. So what is phyllotaxy? The arrangement of leaves. Now what is its aim? The aim of phyllotaxy is to position the leaves to get maximum amount of light for photosynthesis. So what is the main aim? To get maximum amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. So the phyllotaxy types. The phyllotaxy are mainly three types, that is alternate, acyclic or spiral, alternate or acyclic or spiral, and the second one is opposite phyllotaxy and the third one is whole phyllotaxy. So in case of alternate phyllotaxy, one leaf develops from each node and those leaves arrange in a spiral manner all round the stem. So each leaf develops from each node and it's arranged in a spiral manner on the stem. So as an example, we can say the leaves of Hibiscus rosa sinensis is the example of alternate phyllotaxy. In case of opposite phyllotaxy, their two leaves are developed from a single node. These opposite phyllotaxy are of two types. Firstly, the opposite superposed, where the consecutive pair of opposite leaves are arranged in one plane. That means one set of leaves above the other. That means one set of leaves, other set of leaves are in a same plane. It's called opposite superposed. And the second one is opposite decussate, where the consecutive pair of opposite leaves are arranged at right angle to each other. You can see that one set of leaves are right angle to the other set. In case of the opposite superposed, they are same plane. The leaves are same planes, but here they are right angle to each other. And the last or third one is types of whole phyllotaxy, where the more than two leaves develop from each node. Here we see that three leaves are developed from each node. So in case of whole phyllotaxy, there are more than two leaves develop from each node and form a whole. So we can say that phyllotaxy are three types: alternate or acyclic or spiral, where one leaf at a single node, or that means the one leaf develop from one node and arranged in a spiral manner on the stem. Example, we can say that Hibiscus rosa sinensis, the leaf of Hibiscus rosa sinensis. And in case of opposite, here two leaves are developed from each node and these two leaves are opposite to each other. And these opposite phyllotaxy are of two types, that is opposite decussate and opposite superposed. In case of opposite superposed, there is consecutive pair of leaves at one plane. That means one set of leaves just above the other. As an example, we can say that Pisidium guava. And in case of opposite decussate, where the consecutive pair of leaves at right angle to each other. And the example is the leaf of Calotropis procera. And the third one is whole phyllotaxy, where the more than two leaves are developed from each node. And the example is leaf of Nerium indicum. So these are the phyllotaxy of leaves. So if you have any question, you can comment in comment box. I will reply you. Thank you.